To write the name for HClO4, perchloric acid, we use the flowchart and a common ion table. We have three different elements here, H, Cl, and O. That means that we'll use this part here of our flowchart to name HClO4. We have our H here, that's what tells us it's an acid, and then we have the ClO4, which is a polyatomic ion. And it'll have a negative charge because the H has a positive charge. So we go to our common ion table and we're looking for ClO4 minus. As we look down the common ion table, we see ClO minus, ClO2, 3, and there, ClO4 minus. It's the perchlorate ion. So we've got our perchlorate ion. We go back to our flowchart and we're going to write perchlorate. When we have the ending of ATE, that means we'll take our stem, that's our PERCHLOR, and we'll change the ending, that ATE, to IC. So let's get rid of the ATE and write in IC. IC. We add the word acid, and we're done. The name for HClO4 is perchloric acid. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.